What's up, guys? So here we are. We got the car, but we're not doing any work on it today. We're taking a trip up to the shop. Who's gonna be getting me a new block. Well, and maybe a couple other new things. So I'm gonna update you guys on the way up there, and we'll have a little road trip and we'll make a little day out of it. Look at the brakes already starting to rust up. It's only been a week. This thing needs a wash. So we'll update you. Yep, so this is what owning a Subaru looks like. Seems like a fun life, right? Except you don't get to keep that money. That money's going to buy a new engine block. Hey, what's up, guys? So I just wanted to share a little bit of what it's like to be a Subaru owner, you know, kind of like a day in the life, right? So we got our Subaru, right? Oh, damn. Someone backed into our door, so we had to buy a replacement door from the junkyard, and of course it didn't match color, so we just kind of spray painted it. So that, you know, that we're gonna have to, you know, that was just for the door, you know, that was just, you know, we'll just call that a couple $100 just to fix the door. Okay? Alright, cool. Our Subaru, we're driving along. Awesome. Knock, 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 knock. Oh, who's knocking? We already know who. It's your rod bearings. Now, what are you gonna do? You're gonna buy a new short block? You're gonna try to rebuild it? What are you gonna do? You're gonna build it, of course. That's what's gonna happen eventually, I guarantee you. And this is what happens. This is how it goes, guys. If you're a Subaru owner, you got an STi, you wanna make mad power, this is what you gotta give up. Yeah, and then you gotta rattle your pockets looking for that last dime so that Subaru will stay running and it won't blow up on you. Now, of course, this is kind of a joke. It's not really, because this shit really does guarantee your rod bearings are gonna fail at some point. But what I want to say is, build it right the first time, people. I'm spending a lot of money right now because somebody did not build it right the first time. So, more updates to come. So, you knew there was something going on, right? No. Yep, we're back at Quantum Performance here, and no, I didn't get fatter. We just got some cash. So we're gonna talk to our friends inside here. I believe they got something special for us for our block. They got something special in store for sure. So get back. So, just when do you think we might be able to get that block shipped in here?
We'll get it ordered today. I'm not sure when it would be here. Probably next week then. With the holiday, and then heads will have to go out. Probably be 2-3 weeks of machining.
What's up, guys? So I have to say, man, building a Subaru, you gotta put down a lot of money. Let me tell you. Like, you don't even wanna see that. And that's already after I gave him all that, you know. So, we're gonna try to get back home safely, because we are like an hour away. And what's up, guys? So, you know me, always got a backup plan. We can't get the car out there, and they want to charge too much. We're gonna have a friend do it. So here we got Tony, and he's gonna help us out here. We're gonna get this thing loaded up. He's gonna help us pull the engine and get everything started.
Yeah, maybe we just push it.
I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's pretty fucked up.
Yeah, that's a little messed up turbo. It's a little bit of a messed up turbo. So, I guess we're gonna push this back a little bit, and we'll get back to you guys later.
Yeah, still has that truck, eh?
Yep, he's still got the truck since '92, straight off the showroom floor. Yeah, he's a Dodge fan through and through. The 69 Dart or 68 Dart in the garage.
Yeah, who got him talked into the Subarus?
Somehow, I don't know.
Yeah.
One Subaru, two Subaru, three Subaru, another Subaru at work. Too much Subarus.
Too many Subarus.
So we're getting her loaded up so we can get her torn down. And we'll update you more. There she is, guys. On to another flatbed. Sad, sad day. But a happy one at the same time. Ain't that right, Tony? Oh yeah. IAG closed deck 257 on the way.
Heavy ass car broke my wood.
Heavy ass car. Maybe it was my fat ass. It's probably my fat ass broke his wood. I broke Tony's wood. But she's halfway on that. At least the hard half is over. Now we can just get her on and we're good to go. Oh! Oh! It's scratching my HKS! Oh no!
Is it scraping in the
I'm
back?
I'm just kidding. No, it's just the exhaust. It's fine. I'm just messing with you.
Well, we don't want to.
I don't care about the exhaust. It's HKS high power.
No, we can just put the wood under there. It should be good.
It's not that bad.
I couldn't hear it.
Oh, it might crunch it actually, because I was barely touching. You guys think it's gonna crunch the can?
You know, it's when you're hitting the curb, the through the alignment a little off. It's just a little lower on this side.
Oh yeah. Plenty of clearance. How's it going? That's me off for now, guys. See you later. So, guys, here he goes. Last ride, salute. until next time. Well, until tomorrow when we pull the engine out, I should say.